Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, let's talk about stocking your cleaning arsenal for a sparkling home. These are the absolute essentials you'll need. First up, the tools. You need a stick broom or Wally's tinting for outdoor areas and a soft broom, the Wally's Tambo for smooth indoor floors. Don't forget a trusty mop and a dustpan to sweep everything up. A basahan or cleaning cloth is a must-have for wiping surfaces. For consumables, grab some laundry soap, a good floor cleaner, and a glass cleaner for streak-free windows. For your wooden furniture, Pledge or any furniture polish works wonders. And of course, for tough stains and disinfection, always have bleach and a disinfectant spray on hand. With these basics, you're all set for a super clean home. What's your cantilever without cleaning product? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.